Hey guys, welcome back to this new video, and in this video let's see how to write comments in Python, and let's see about print function and help function. So let's start with comments. So comments is nothing but we start with hash sign, and it is used for single line commenting. It's used for describing purpose. If you run this, it will print nothing. Okay, so for multi-line comments we cannot use this hash sign itself. If you write here, it will not work. Okay, so for multi-line comment we have to use triple double quotes like this. Okay, if you write like this, we can give multi-line comments. See, it's for 3 lines. If you print this, like if we run this, it will not work. Okay, because it's a comment. Okay, if it's purely used for describing purpose. Let's head out to print function. Okay, print is a normal function. It's like a standard output to the console. Okay, printing some string input like int, any number of data types, any number of values. Okay, so let's say print hello. So it is a single string. If you use run, it will print like hello. Okay, if we give any other thing like using comma, it will print that also. Okay, and if we give any operation like 78 plus 2, it will print hello 80 because it adds this. So this plus will be an arithmetic operator, so we can use this also. So 7 minus 8 will also work. So any number of arithmetic operation will also work. Okay, see the hello 70, this works like this. Okay, so print function has something two different parameters also, which will be useful. Okay, let me comment it here. So one is separator and second one is end. Okay, so separator is like, let's say I'm giving hello world here. Okay, hello world. If we run this, it will print hello world separated with a space. Okay, single space is a default value for separator. Okay, even though I didn't give any space here or here, it will print a space since it's separator. Okay, so its separator is a single space. If we change the separator to a pound sign like this, if I run this, it will separate using the pound sign. See, hello is separated with world using this pound sign. If you give anything like minus sign, hyphen, it will print like this. It will be useful. Okay, it will be used for string formatting. Okay, so and second one is end. End is used for if you give second print like let's say Praveen. Okay, if you run this, it will print in new line. Okay, second print will be printed in new line. If you don't want that, we can just end it with something else. Let's say a single space. Okay, single space. If you run this, it will print here itself with a single space. If you give something else like a hyphen itself, we can see it will print like this. Okay, it is so any number of lines we can use using the end. Okay, so this end and separator is a parameter of the print function. We can use this for string formatting like this. Okay, so these two are important parameters. So this is what print is. Okay, let's comment out this. Okay, I just commented out this. So let's see about the help function. Okay, help is also a built-in function. Help is used for, it's basically the name itself says help. Okay, so if we don't know about any function, we can just give like that. Okay, so if we don't know about print, we can know about print using the help function. If we print like this, so if we run this, it will produce the help. Okay, see, help on built-in function print. So this is the syntax how we use print. Inside the parentheses we can give values. This is multi values using the comma, and there is a separator function which I explained above, and the end parameter. So sorry, these are parameters. So this is defaulted with a single space, and the end line produces the new line character. So you can see the explanation here. String inserted between values, default is a space. Okay, and the string appended after the last value, default a new line. So this is how help works. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.